So Gate 8 has one Miracle Lounge, and I'm going to access that one too through my priority pass. I think most of the Miracle Lounge has a similar food, or probably exactly the same food. Let's check this one, which is in Gate F. So Gate F and Gate G is next to each other actually. It's like a few minute walk. Alright, let's check it out, this one. So let's check it out. I think they're all miracle. This is small as well. Similar alcohol selection. This one don't have black label. Jim Beam, Campari, Kahlua, and also they have eyes. Lovely. Food, alcohol, and beverage are not allowed to be taken out. So I have Singalia, soda water, ice cream, coffee machine, chicken porridge. I love porridge, so chicken porridge is nice. Because it's a breakfast time, so fried rice. Not much selection in the breakfast time. Fried rice, no, stir fried vegetable. There's the eggs. There's a chicken sausage. I think lunchtime they have different menu. Better actually.